So when I first picked up the Brush Rover, I was pleasantly surprised how quickly I realized how useful it was going to be for what we were trying to accomplish. Kind of the difference between backing up a semi-truck or a compact car. We're really able to get around in tight places, and so the Brush Rover is very compact and agile. I'm able to, if I have an existing tree that I've planted, I'm able to pretty much cut within 6 inches of that tree all the way around it with just a quick, couple quick turns. We're a general contracting company, but we're also in the property management business. So we have some vacant properties that are slated for development, and as they get overgrown, the Brush Rover is a perfect tool for getting in there, a couple times a year and knocking down that vegetation. Yeah, oftentimes I find myself holding off on the bigger saplings with the tractor-mounted unit, where the Brush Rover seems to handle it without any trouble. We take down, inch to inch and a half saplings without any trouble at all, which is pretty impressive.